and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got some goodies to share with you from Everydayecrafts today. So thank you so much for them for sending me out these items to show you all. So we'll start with the one that we can see, if you haven't heard me say that already. This is another off the canvas item because I always like to do some of these projects every now and then. This one is a set of butterfly key rings. So let me just lay them out and then I'll zoom you in a little bit so that you can see them a little bit better. But how sweet are they? And they are double-sided and they do have a little hole for the key ring, of which you do get all the inserts as well. You get a standard toolkit, boat wax pen, and then we do get some very, very nice looking diamonds. Let me just change the battery in my camera and I will show you those fully. I only got 1 minute into that video for it to show at me, maybe 2. But oh, that one's really pretty. That's got quite a few different little stripes on it. They're all pretty in their own little way. They do all have, so the diamonds sort of cross over a couple of them. So what I sometimes do all of them at once when I'm doing these and open up a packet of diamonds. So say open up the number 1 and do all of the number 1. But if I'm just wanting to do just a little something, just one evening, then I'll pick one of them and I'll do one, but I will set myself up some little baggies to put the rest into. You could do it as a fully kitting up project, but that, you know, can be handy for these if you want to do them over a long period of time, because you've got 4 and you've got 2 sides to do on each. But we've got some blue pearls, yellow rhinestones, pink rhinestones, purple, blue, little bit bigger gold ones, some pink ones that are bigger, silver, coppery gold, again silver but with that rainbow shine, same again, and then we've got some orange and again some more with that sort of iridescent coating that we know and love that appears on many. So gorgeous colours of rhinestones for those. I think they went in that one. I can't remember sometimes what bag these things go into. So I'm going to pop these all back in as one kit. Make sure that I keep the keyring pieces with them as well. They're beautiful. They are nice and bright, which is what I like about those. And then we do have a couple of diamond paintings. Let me just zoom you out again so that we have a chance of seeing them all. So what have we got in this one? Which one is this one? Let's have a look. Oh, this one is a raccoon. Now, raccoons in real life, nah, not so keen. But this one has a little bit of a funky twist to him. It's a 40 by 40 canvas, but he does just have a little bit of fun in the pattern, and that's what sort of sparks me to this diamond painting. It does have a white background, but it is nowhere near too much of a white background. It's got nice little stripes, purple ears. So the canvas is 40 by 40. The drill area is 35 by 35, so a very nice size. We do have 29 colours, so there's a nice variety, and they do have DMC numbers. For the toolkit, we get boat wax, pen and baggies. And just to show you the colours, because they are in these bags, it is round, but you can see all the colours this way, which I actually really like. I like it when they come in these baggies. They're nicer and quicker to kit up, even though the other bags that you get that are all stripped together, you only need to cut a corner off. I don't know what it is. There's still something about these are just so much more compact. I really like them. But look, I mean, he is looking a little bit miserable, but not too miserable. I thought he looked fun. It does look like he's holding a heart, so maybe he's trying to want us to like him. So we've got Mr. Raccoon, and then I do have one more because I'm spoiled. So let's have a look at this one. We're in. Which one was this one? Oh, this is Mr. Fox. I do quite like a nice fox painting. This one is a 40 by 50. It is a round. It does have 24 colours, and the drill area for this one is 35 by 45. So it's only a 5cm border, but isn't that gorgeous? I just really like the colour of these leaves. I think that's what it was that got me, in with, of course, the picture of the funky looking fox. You do get a toolkit with baggies. So we've, oh, and a 3-placer. But hey, a little bit extra on that one. These colours do come in the strip. I mean, they're not bad at taking up the same amount of space. Maybe it's just because I can't get these back in the bag anywhere near as nice. We do have quite a bit of 310. We do have 3 bags of 310, whereas the other Mr. Raccoon didn't have any. Mr. Fox does. But we have, look at those colours. They are going to look gorgeous in the leaves. Because I don't think we're going to have that purple in Mr. Fox, unless it's in his eyes. But then we have some more muted colours where, of course, the leaves come in together. And then we've got some gorgeous greens and blues as well, with, of course, the Mr. Fox colour. So, beautiful paintings as ever. I will fight with those. They are all poured glue, these, because they do come with the opaque cover. So they are very forgiving at lying flat and stuff. They will do that very easily. I mean, these are pretty much lay flat already, but they will definitely, I mean, the bigger ones, you could potentially put it under a rug. I tend to find just having something on top of them on my tabletop, and the creases just come out themselves out of these. I've never had a problem. But I will pop links down below for them. So we've got Mr. Fox hiding in the leaves, Mr. Raccoon, who's after some forgiveness, and then we have some pretty butterflies, because why not? Nice little evening project. So thank you so much to Everydayecrafts for these. And thank you so much to those of you who are watching, and I will speak to you all again soon.